Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our first half of the 2023 highlights. My name is Daniel George, and I'm a consultant certified in Employee Central, Performance and Goals, and Time Management. I'm located in London, United Kingdom, and work with Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for performance and goals. For a complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com. The contact us link on for current clients, reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Calculated performance management ratings available in list view. This new functionality it allows an enhanced calibration in this view. And as you can see from the image on the right hand side, you can now see that the calculator ratings for performance elements are seen in a list view. Previously, in the previous versions, only manual ratings or rating labels were displayed for the performance rating element in the list view. So this feature now provides a more intuitive indication of performance form information within your organization during the calibration session. It's easier for users to refer to the calculator ratings in the list view without going to other pages, having to go into the specific form for each employee. Now you can see the calculator rating directly in the calibration session. The next one we have is to hide prior feedback from the new manager that was requested or given by the former manager. Again, just to note, this is a customer configured option, so it does require a bit of effort on the customer side, the client side. But this functionality really just allows or enables administrators to have the option to automatically hide feedback from former managers in continuous performance management. There are instances where if once an employee is assigned a new manager for whatever the reason may be, you may want to kind of hide or disable the ability for the previous managers to see feedback that was given. So this enhancement allows that. And again, it's only supported for instances with Employee Central, so that's something to note. This process can be automated, again, which is kind of the key part of this functionality. And again, this feature is really intended to address data privacy and protection issues. The next highlight we have is the visibility of edits and delete actions for continuous performance goal cards based on user permissions. So this functionality really allows employees using continuous performance now to see the actions for edit or delete for goal cards based on their granted permissions. Previously, in previous versions of goal management, goal cards shown in the activities page within the performance management suite was only allowed for users across to edit and delete actions for all goals. Now with this release, the user is only shown the options that they have permission to use. So you can be very granular about how users behave or the certain permissions that are granted within the goal management suite. Again, this item really helps to keep the performance and goal solution consistent, and just reduces any likelihood of incorrect actions taken by any employees or users within the CPM suite, and kind of just shifts focus to a better experience for all participants involved. The next highlight we have is use continuous feedback in the SAP SuccessFactors app in Microsoft Teams. This is a really key feature that's now been introduced with this new first release highlight of 2023. Now with this integration of SAP SuccessFactors and Microsoft 365, users can now use continuous feedback of the latest continuous performance management right inside Microsoft Teams. The use case for this is really key, as it now improves integration with popular external systems. We are aware that a lot of our clients use Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365, so it really allows users to complete HR tasks within a familiar suite, just improving that overall UI experience. Between different external systems and SAP SuccessFactors. So this is a really key highlight. And definitely would allow for a more seamless experience whilst using SAP SuccessFactors. Another update to Performance and Goals suite is the user experience enhancements to performance management forms. There's been several enhancements to the user experience on performance management forms, such as page anchoring, toast messages when actions are performed, rearranged order of tabs, and updated typography. So this is really, an improvement to the overall UI, and how the performance form is displayed to users, from a UI experience. So that there have been overall enhancements and just makes the UI just feel a lot more easier, a lot more intuitive, and a lot more easy on the eye as well. So this is really key, and kind of just helps for a more modern feel now going forward, from 2023 onwards. So again, this enhancement really provides better user experience, again, when working with the performance form. So again, this is another nice update. The next highlights we have is to view audits history for goals. Um, an audit history record is created when a goal is created, modified, deleted, cascaded, assigned, copied, or replaced. So now with proper permissions within SuccessFactors, users can see a list of records showing what changes were made, who made those changes, and when. So whether modified or replaced, users can now see a comparison between the previous values, you know, in the goal management suite, and now the new values of the change fields. So again, this is really, just provides the historical data within the latest goal management. So just, helps the admin team, HR team, or just, users kind of using this goal management suite to just keep a track of any changes that were made. Enables greater insights into managing goals and just helps, an overall better experience within the performance and goals suite within SuccessFactors. Lastly, but not least, another update provided by SAP is to copy goals from goal plans. With this functionality, you can now integrate dynamic teams with goal management. Oftentimes, your organization may have dynamic teams set up whereby they don't necessarily follow the organizational structure or hierarchy set up within SuccessFactors, or even the reporting structure. So now with this functionality, those team members in these dynamic teams can link objectives of their dynamic team to their performance goals in goal management. This really just improves the overall experience for these dynamic team types and allows users to track performance within these teams, such as managers, allows them to track, or just any user kind of working with these dynamic team types to really just track their performance, and again just allows for more seamless experience within SuccessFactors. And that is a wrap. So thank you once again for taking the time to review our first half of the 2023 highlights. For complete release analysis, please connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com. You can reach us via the contact us link, or for current clients, please reach out to your project manager or CSM if you have any questions at all. Thank you.